Is there any food restriction or good food suggestion for Kriyavan who practice Kriya? In the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord told about good foods. He spoke about sattvic, rajasic and tamasic food. Sattvic means spiritual food, good food. Speaking on sattvic food, the Lord taught in Bhagavad Gita, Ayuhu, Satto, Bala, Arogya, Sukha, Priti, Vivardhana, Rasya, Snigdha, Sthira, Hrudya, Aharaha, Sattvika Priya. The simple meaning, the food that gives long life, calmness, strength, health, happiness, love is dear to sattvic people. He did not say you eat this, eat that. Then he said food should be rasya. Rasya means palatable. Snigdha is having some element of fat, not too much. Sthira, protein. Hrudya, sweetness, not sweet food, are good. So from this you understand. My Gurudev told the food which you can easily digest is your food. The food which you can digest, if I cannot digest, is good for you, not for me. Simple food is good food. I have already told you maybe in other classes, don't eat processed market food. Cook at home. Am I clear? In your food, do not use too much of oil, too much of salt, too much of sweetener, too much of spices. Simple food is good food. Don't eat up to this. My Gurudev used to say, let half of your stomach be filled with food. 1/4 of the stomach is in water and 1/4 empty. Don't drink water immediately after food. Give minimum half an hour gap between your eating and taking water. Early in the morning, when you get up from your bed, drink few glasses of water. It is very good. Early in the morning, when you get up, immediately you take few glasses of water. Don't eat at the late hours of night. Am I clear? That's all. As per law of Kriya, if we are the witness of our action without thinking ourselves as the doer, then we are not into the karma or Kriya bondage. If we are doing bad karma, as like a witness, then we are supposed to fall into karma bondage and get the result of that in future. I think you have not understood it. Everybody knows what is good or bad. Everybody knows what is good or bad. I tested it. A little baby of 6 months old. This experiment I did in 1993. I was holding the baby in my arm There is a bitter plant. I don't know its name in Kannada. English also I don't know. Many homeopathic medicine and Ayurvedic medicines are made out of that. Homeopathic medicine's name is Kalmeg. It's a bitter medicine. So I touching that leaf little bit, I took my fingertip and touched the tongue of that baby, 6 months old. Can you imagine what happened to the baby's face? Oh God, only touching that leaf little bit. And who told the baby it is bitter? 6 months old. A little child sitting near me and a candle was burning. I took the child's finger towards the candle. The child took the candle, the hand away. Who taught the child? Fire burns. Everybody knows. You know what is good or bad. You know what is right or wrong. Everybody knows. Nobody can tell that I don't know. Am I clear? What is not good, what is not right, we should. Very simple thing. And how you put this logic, you will be witness. Witness is one. You remember, witness is not the actor. Witness is not the actor. Actor is someone, witness is observing, spectator. Witness is not the judge. If he tells, this is nice, he is no more witness. This is wrong, he is no more witness, he becomes a judge. So witness is not a judge. Witness is not an actor. Witness is not a judge, is a silent spectator.